Welcome back to Little Learners Lab. This is part 2 of our World War II series. Last time, we learned about the start of World War II in Europe. Now, it's time to learn how the fighting quickly spread around the world. So after 1939, things in Europe changed super fast. A military strategy known as blitzkrieg, or lightning war, allowed one side to quickly take over several countries. Before long, of Western Europe was under their control, and the rest of the world was watching closely to see what would happen next. One nation, the United Kingdom, was determined to stand firm and not give up, even if it meant going it alone. But soon, air battles began above the UK in what became known as the Battle of Britain. It was a major moment in history. One side used their aircraft to try and gain control of the skies, while the other relied on early radar and strong defense to try and hold on. Despite the pressure, the UK never gave up. And this showed that determination matters, because no matter how big or small a country is, it doesn't always win battles. Sometimes it's the little guys who do. Meanwhile, the fighting wasn't just in Europe anymore. Other parts of the world, including Africa and Asia, began to feel the effects. As more countries started getting involved in the war, different countries formed alliances or partnerships under shared goals and values. These included countries from across the world, eventually becoming known as the Allied powers. But then something surprising happened. In a quick move, a nation took control of a country in Eastern Europe. This shifted the balance of power in the region and sparked a struggle between those who wanted to keep their homelands and those who wanted to take them. For the people on the front lines, the fighting was long, difficult, and dangerous. They faced freezing cold temperatures and challenging conditions that made it hard to keep going, but they were determined to defend and protect their home territories no matter the cost. And so the world was truly involved in this global conflict. In part 3, we'll discover how even more countries entered the picture and how the momentum of the conflict began to shift. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And you can also check out our other videos here. Thanks for watching. See you on part 3.